Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Festival seasons are around the corner, so I'm going to share this look that I have created. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, I'm going to prep my skin using this sheet mask from Lakme. This is the watermelon sheet mask. Actually, I was sick for last few days, so I was not able to take care of my skin properly. So I'm adding this extra step to nourish my skin. So I'll let this mask sit on my skin for 10 minutes and then I'll remove. Ten minutes are over. I will massage the face with the remaining serum. I swear this mask is so good on my skin. In just 15 minutes, my skin feels so rejuvenated and soft and supple. Next, I am going to apply tea tree serum on my face. For those who don't know, I have extremely sensitive, oily and acne prone skin. These serums help with the active breakouts and also regular application of the serum preventing future breakouts. So this really works for me. To moisturize my face, I'll be using Sebamed Face Clear Gel. So as the name suggested, it's a gel based moisturizer. The texture is extremely light, almost like water, and the formula is non-greasy. Now my skin is all set for makeup. Since I was not well, I got dark circle around my eyes and I'm going to color correct them using LA Girl Orange Color Corrector. I'm going to apply very little amount of it and then blend gently. For foundation, I am going to mix these two. The Miss Clear one is little light for me, so I am going to mix that with Maybelline Poreless foundation. This is in the shade Toffee. For that extra coverage, I am using a concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade Warm Sand. Next, I am going to powder my face using Nykaa Compact. Here I am using the shade 07 Honey. For my brows, I am going to apply wax from that palette. Once my brows are nice and set, I am going to fill them with the help of the light brown color. After that, I am going to apply a lip gloss to moisturize my lips. For my eyes, I am going to apply this shimmer shade all over my lid. I am going to keep my eye makeup very simple but shiny. Once I am done with my eye makeup, I am going to create a small wing using a gel kajal. And then I will start smudging very closely to my eyelid. I will take this chocolate brown eyeshadow to define my lower lash line. Next, I am going to curl my eyelashes and will apply this mascara by the brand Essence. Once my mascara dries, I am going to add a pair of false eyelashes. I will mention the product details in the description box below. Do not forget to check out. Next, I am going to contour my face with the help of this compact powder. This one is also from Nykaa, but the shade is different. This is 08 Chestnut. I'm going to take this third shade from this palette to apply blush on my face. This is a very beautiful color, perfect for medium to dark complexion. Next, I'm going to take this highlighter shade from the same palette and I will apply on the high points of my face. I'm going to take the same dark chocolate color from that palette to contour my nose. For my lips, I'm going to use this beautiful vibrant pink color. This is by the brand Insight and the shade number is 12, Delicate. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हो तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलना और लाइक बटन पे क्लिक करना ना भूलना. I'll see you guys in the next week. Bye.